Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS home school. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Haque, assistant teacher of mathematics, National English version school, day shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is oral sheet practice. Dear students, we will practice our oral sheet for annual examination today. Okay dear students, let us see. Class 6 subject mathematics sheet for oral test. It means that here some questions are given for oral and we will solve this question here. Okay dear students, now see first question. What is the formula for multiplication of fraction by integer? Dear students, you know when you will multiply a fraction by an integer, you can write the formula here, fraction multiply by integer. The students, to multiply a fraction by an integer, we have to multiply the numerator of the fraction. We have to multiply that by integer. And here we have to write only denominator. This is the formula of multiplying a fraction by integer. It means that in this case we have to multiply just numerator by denominator, or we can write the denominator of fraction. Only denominator, or you can write the denominator of fraction. Dear students, this formula is written here for the printing problem. Here fraction is in the above and this is not written in the same line. Just we have to write in one line. Okay. Now question 2. What is the reciprocal fraction of 7 by 15? Dear students, you know reciprocal fraction means the opposite fraction. The opposite fraction. It means that the numerator and denominator flipped. It means that the numerator will be the denominator and the denominator will be the numerator. Here the numerator is 7 and denominator is 15. So reciprocal fraction of this fraction will be, this denominator will go to the numerator. This will be 15 and this numerator will go to the denominator. So 15 by 7 is the required reciprocal fraction. What is the Hcf of 5 by 7 and 5 by 14? Dear students, you know the formula for determining the Hcf of fraction. That is, you have to do the Hcf of the numerator and do the LCM of the denominator. Here formula is Hcf of the denominator and LCM of the numerator. LCM of the numerator. Here Hcf of the denominator is 5 and 5 is 5 here, and LCM of the numerator is 7 and 14. LCM is 14. So answer will be 5 by 14. Next question. What is the product of a fraction and its reciprocal fraction? Dear students, suppose 3 by 2 is a fraction and its reciprocal is 2 by 3. So their product is 3 and 3 we can cut, 2 and 2 we can cut. So only 1 will remain. So product is 1. It means that the product of a fraction and its reciprocal fraction is 1. Question 5. What is the LCM of 2 by 3 and 4 by 15? Dear students, you know the LCM of the two fractions are we have to do the LCM of the numerators and Hcf of the denominators. LCM of the numerators and Hcf of the denominators. Here LCM of the numerators are 2 and 4, that is LCM is 4, and Hcf of 3 and 15 is 3. So our required answer is 4 by 3. I have written here. Okay. Now question 6. How many prime numbers are there from 50 to 70? Dear students, from 50 to 70 the prime numbers are 53, 59, 61, 67. These 4 prime numbers are there from 70 to 50 to 70. So 4 prime numbers here. So we can write there are 4 prime numbers from 50 to 70. What is the term of algebraic expression? Dear students, you know the terms of algebraic expression. It means that I am writing an expression, suppose 3x plus 5y divided by 3z minus 10. Dear students, now see this. Here, how many addition and subtraction sign here? As at the beginning there is no sign, this is addition and this is addition, this is subtraction. So 3 addition and subtraction here. So we can say this addition and subtraction sign is associated, is separate the terms, So this is a term and this is a term, this is a term. How many terms here? 3 terms here. It means that we can say each part of an algebraic expression linked with the addition and the subtraction sign is known as the term of the expression. It means that the part which is linked with addition or subtraction sign is known as terms of algebraic expression. How many terms are there in the expression? This one 5x plus 3y divided by c plus 4b into 27. Here, dear students, how many addition and subtraction sign here? At the beginning there is no sign, so this is addition 1, 2, 3. So 3 addition sign here. It means that there are 3 terms. There are 3 terms. Terms are 5x, 3y divided by c, 4b into 27. These are 3 terms. What is coefficient? When a number is attached with a variable in a single term expression is as a multiplier, that multiplier is called the numerical coefficient or coefficient of the expression. Suppose here 3x is a term, 3 is the multiplier with the variable x, 3 is taken as multiplier with the variable x. So this is a, if we consider only 3x here, so this is a single term expression. 3 is used here as multiplier, so this 3 is called the coefficient of this term or of x or numerical coefficient of x. Okay. Now what is the coefficient of y in the expression? 10x minus 5y plus 7z. Dear students, now see here 10x minus 5y plus 7z. Here before y, here is minus 5. It means that minus 5 is attached with y as multiplier. So our coefficient of y is minus 5. What is the exponent form of 16? Dear students, we can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we can write this in short 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. So this is the exponent form of 16. So we can say answer of question 11 is 2 to the power 4. Now go to the next question 12. What are similar terms? Dear students, 2 terms are said to be similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficient. Suppose I am writing here an expression 3x minus 4x. Dear students, now see here the variable is same. It means unknown quantity is same. Only they differ only in their numerical coefficient. Here the numerical coefficient 3, here numerical coefficient is 4. So these 2 terms are said to be similar. 2 terms are said to be similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficients. Okay, dear students. Now question 13. What is the index of x in 7x cube into x to the power 5? 7x cube into x to the power 5. Now see here 7x cube. If we calculate here, we will get 7x to the power 8. So index of x is 8 here. Index of x is 8 here. So we can write index of x. Dear students, here there is no gap here. After that there will be gap. After index there will be gap. After of there will be gap. After x there will be gap. Okay. So the index of this expression is 8. This index of x is 8. What is simple equation? Dear students, equations having variables of degree 1 is called a simple equation. Suppose I am writing an equation 3x plus 5 equal to 2. Here variable is x and index of variable is 1. Index of variable is 1. The students, here the equation having variables degree 1. This type of equation is known as simple equation. What is the equation? A mathematical open sentence associated with equality sign is called an equation. Dear students, you know a mathematical open sentence. It means that a mathematical sentence which may be true or false, but we can't determine whether it is true or false. If we can't determine whether the open sentence is true or false, if that open sentence associated with equality sign, that sentence is known as mathematical equation. If 6 is added to twice a number, the sum will be 14. What is the number? Dear students, now see, 6 is added to twice a number. Dear students, suppose the number is x. Suppose the number is x. And twice of x is 2x. If 6 is added to the sum, if 6 is added, the sum will be 14. Now solve the equation, you will get 2x equal to 14 minus 6 means you will get 8. I am doing in short. So if we divide by 2, we will get x equal to 4. So we can say, what is the number? The number is 4, as the value of x is 4. I have shown in short. Now question 17, what is the number whose 9 times will be equal to 27? Suppose the number is x, 9 times of x will be 27. So if we divide by 9, we will get x equal to 3. So the number is 3. What is surface? What is surface? The side of the solid represents a surface. Dear students, suppose this is a solid, this is a duster, and we can say this is a solid and this is a surface of the solid. This is also another surface of the solid. This is also another surface. This is another surface. It means that these sides are known as surface. These sides of a solid are known as surface. Now, what is adjacent angles? Dear students, we have to say what is adjacent angles. Now, see, this is an angle. Now we can draw another line here. Now see two angles here, this angle and this angle. These two angles have a common side. This is the common side, and have a common vertex. This is the common vertex. This is the vertex of this angle and this angle. It means both angle. And these two angles lie next to each other. This type of angle is known as vertically opposite angle. For this, the definition is written as the angles having a common vertex and a common side and lying next to each other are called adjacent angles. So these two angles are adjacent to each other. Now question 20, what is vertically opposite angle? The students, now see, vertically opposite angle. Suppose this is an angle. Now we have to draw the opposite rays. So opposite rays of this side is this one and opposite rays of this side is this one. So the angle produced by two opposite rays of the given sides of the angle is this one. So this angle is known as the vertically opposite angle of the given angle. So we can say the angle produced by two opposite rays of the sides of an angle is vertically opposite angle. So this is the vertically opposite angle of this one. Which country did the scholar Euclid belong to? The scholar Euclid belonged to Greece. Okay, dear students, now see what is the formula for finding the mean. Dear students, you know the formula for finding the mean, that is the mean equal to sum of the data divided by the number of data, sum of the data divided by the number of data. Then question 23, what is mod? Dear students, you know the mod. The mod of data under consideration will be the number or the numbers which repeat frequently and appear maximum time. It means that the data which repeated maximum time is known as the mod. The data which appears maximum time is known as mod. What is the median of first 5 natural numbers? Dear students, you know first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, which one in the middle? 3 is in the middle. Dear students, median means the number which is in the middle in organized data. At first, data should be organized, and then the number which we obtain from middle, that is the median. In case of odd number of data, but if the number of data is even, that time average of middle 2 numbers will be the median. Okay, dear students, now see what is the complementary angle of A. Dear students, the complementary angle of A. Complementary angle means, dear students, if the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then angles are said to be complementary to each other. It means if A is an angle, the complementary angle of A will be 90 degree minus A, 90 degree minus A, that is written here, 90 degree minus A. It means this way we can write 90 degree minus A. This will be the complementary angle of A. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.